Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to post story on Instagram from PC. So let's begin. Alright, to post a story into Instagram, first of all what we have to do, log in into our Instagram account from the PC, and after that what we have to do the right click here, and you can see the option of inspect. So we have to click on that, and here you will be able to see the option of toggle device toolbar. So we have to enable this. So right now this is disabled. So I'm going to change this again into enabled version. Still, we cannot post our story here. So what we have to do, we will need to refresh our page here. And now you will be able to see plus icon at the top right side. So we have to click on this and you will be able to see the option of story. So we have to click on this. And now I can upload the story from my computer. So I'm going to search for background. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. I'll just click on open here. And you can see this, we have this on our story. So I want to add this on the story. So I'm going to simply click on add to your story and it will be uploaded as our story using PC. Alright, so we have posted our story on the Instagram using PC. We just need to refresh the page. And if I just click on our profile picture here, you'll be able to see our story, which was actually a gray background color. So this is how we can post story on Instagram from PC. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.